Lalo na mas
What's
sumasaya
going on?
sa
This is
Islang
Rob.
Pantropiko.
Ngayon sumasayaw kami ng pan-tropical. Punta sa bahay ng aming kaibigan. Nakarating na nga kami at pasimple ako nagbi-video. Hindi kami makapasok. Oh, Polet. Huwag kang sumigaw. Harap pa nga. Sumurong sinisigawan ka eh. Pagbukas ng pinto. Yan. Na-excite na nga ang lahat. Yan na. Pagbukas ng pinto. Throwback muna tayo. Guys, umiiyak na siya. Umiiyak siya on her birthday kasi walang ganap. Kasi sabi ko umiyak siya.
Ano sabi nung kanta?
Mas maraming
You won't fail
views.
daw, oo. Have faith lang. He won't fail. Oh, he won't fail nga daw, love.
At ito na nga, nakapasok na kami. Sa wakas, at bumungad sa amin ang mga ka-church mate namin. At ito silang lumakap kay Sai. Ano ba naman ang hinayak sa ganitong tagpo? Yan na, punta naman tayo sa mga games mga kaibigan. Hey, 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 hey. Tayo mga toy, piso-piso lang. Maluwag pa sa kaliwa o kanan kahit saan. Bayan-bayan, bahay-simbahan. Hey, hey, break, 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 break. Hey, 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 tayo mga joy, piso-piso lang. Huwag pa sa kaliwa o sa kanan. Bayan-bayan lang, doon lang sa may simbahan. Bayan-bayan lang, doon sa simbahan. Bayan-bayan lang, doon sa simbahan. Tayo mga joy, budos-budos lang. Hey, hey. Isubo mo hanggang maduwal. Subo mo hanggang maduwal. At ito nga pala yung mga pagkain. Meron chicken, meron pork. Siyempre kung meron pork, merong spoon. Para bang piyesta. Salamat sa mga ate namin, Ate Wendy, Ate Monet, Ate Bibet. Ito yung design sa lahat ng naging parte na itong party na to. Hindi ko na kayo may isa-isa. Mahal ko kayong lahat.
I was just telling him last Monday na I'm so sad because I haven't gotten the chance to celebrate my 30th birthday. No food, no parties and all.
Tapos di ka pa daw pupunta ta.
Am I not good enough for you for this day? We are really blessed to have friends, family like you guys. We are so thankful. Because when we moved here in Quezon, we were praying to have this kind of like friends, family, church mate community, and our good Lord granted that prayer, and we are so thankful. So I don't know what to say, but I am really grateful for you all to be part of our lives. And thank you for all these gifts. And if kahit walang gift, you guys are enough for us. Thank you.
Naiiyak pa. Masaya pa.
First of all, I know my parents not here, but in honor of them, I dedicated honoring my parents. The first thing they've told me, they said that whenever we come here in America, the first thing that we'll look for is a church. And now this is the fruit of what they have told us. So we're just so blessed that we're part of this faith family. Yeah, I just wish my family is here as well, but ano ba English nung ikaw nagpunan ng kulang?
You're the one who filled in.
You
Filled the space. You filled the gap.
guys fill the space for my family.
Yeah, the gap.
Naiiyak pa. You refill the gas.
Guys, beautiful Terry, I love you. You're beautiful. Well, during pregnancy, you're the most beautiful wife ever. Until my last breath.
Pasikat ka. Ay, pasikat na. Ay, wala ba kayong mga kamay?
Beautiful and sweet.
Panis.
Darling desire.
Mali-mali to lyrics.
Follow my lips. We were just kids when we found out. Darling, I need you. Darling,
Pegel mo na ron. Stop ka na, that's it na nga eh, sabi.
Happy
Habang kinakantahan, necessary ng happy birthday. Gusto ko magpasalamat sa aming faith family dito sa Tucson, Arizona. Mahal na mahal namin kayo. One, two, God will never fail. Okay? Lagi niyo isipin yan.
Repeat after me. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo!
He will never fail. Just have faith.